I had my mind absolutely blown today with this new artificial intelligence chatbot. So I've seen all kinds of things. I've seen art, I've seen music videos, I've seen, art AI writing poetry and song lyrics and all that stuff. And those are admittedly super cool, but I think this is something else. So, what are we doing? Here is a Squarespace website I am working on. And what I would like to happen, kind of a custom code stuff, kind of custom JavaScript thing is needed here. So this is the list of events. And there are upcoming events and the past events. And what I would like to have is, I would like there to be a heading saying upcoming events and then past events between these two guys. And I'd also like to have a little logic that if this thing here says upcoming in Finnish, which it does, it's gonna scroll to the upcoming heading, and if it says past, it's gonna scroll the user to the heading we make here for the past events. So normally I would just, take my code editor and start coding JavaScript, but today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna tell this chatbot to write the code for us, and I thought this was absolutely insane. So here's what I wrote. Write a JavaScript code that blah blah blah, waits until the page is loaded, then if we're on the events page, it's gonna do the 4 steps I just described. Create the headings, put them in the correct place, then check what the URL says, and then scroll to the correct place depending on what the hash on the URL says. So let's hit enter, and then it just starts outputting code, which is just crazy. So when I added this prompt a few times, it added a few different implementations. I'm gonna try this one first. I had an older one here. I'm gonna comment out. So this is one I got from the chatbot just a little while ago, and that definitely worked. I just wanted to show this cool animation, but let's try the new one first. It looked a little weird, so I'm not sure if there's something missing. Okay, looks good. Looks like it's working absolutely perfectly. Yeah. I don't know what to say about this. This was just, it's like it's too much. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Add event listener, wait for the downloaded. It even adds these comment in the code like a pro developer would. Yeah, add the heading. Oh, it even made my shitty code example into this pretty vanilla JavaScript with all the IDs, class names, all this stuff. In the previous code it outputted, it just used my little code snippet. And in the previous one, this was kind of an if and else if thing. Wow, I'm very impressed. I don't know if I should be worried about losing my job, but I think the way this usually goes is that it just makes the workflow smoother for pros like me instead of Mike from marketing giving these very detailed prompts for the AI to write the code for them. But I don't know what to think. This is pretty intense. Anyway, if you want someone to use the latest AI technology to help design your website, then hit me up.